What's good? Paul here from Vintage Paul's Clothing Boutique. Thank you for checking out this video. Today we are hitting the thrift store, hunting for some cool clothes to flip for some profit. Come along on this journey with me. I appreciate you. If you find this helpful, like, subscribe. And we're going to do some shopping, show you what I got at the end. Feel free to skip around, but we'll have them labeled. We are back with the haul. We got some sick pieces today. Start off with some band tees. The Ramones. Florida Georgia Line. Queen. Foo Fighters World Tour. First Foo Fighters shirt, so I'm excited about that. Death Row Records. That one's a sick little piece right there. Got a little Y2K piece. South Pole tank top. On the Superman tag, the Italian Superman. Now we got, I swear, somebody must have just donated a bunch of like their skater surf stuff because these are all like right next to each other. Nice Element skateboard tee. Volcom, Rip Curl, Hurley, the Hurley bundle here, swear. This O'Neal surfing shirt. Another O'Neal. Some Y2K dragon type graphic. Pretty sick. No tag on that one though. And last but not least, last year's Super Bowl. 49ers versus Chiefs. So yeah, that was my haul today. I am very satisfied at what I got. Look forward to flipping these for some profit. If you're interested in any clothes like these, feel free to check out my website. My online store will be in the description. I appreciate it. Once again, if you find this helpful, like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. See you on the next one. Peace.